Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I craft a floral wreath that's also a candle holder to decorate my altar for Beltane. Let's do some magical crafting. To begin this project, I'm using an unfinished wooden disc the same width as my wreath as a base, and I'm painting the top a bright green. It's important to let the paint dry completely before continuing, and I sped up the drying process with a heat tool. Beltane is a celebration of the beginning of summer, usually celebrated on May 1st, halfway between the spring equinox and the summer solstice. Activities include gathering wildflowers and green branches, weaving floral garlands, and crowning a May Queen, sometimes with a male companion. It's also traditional to set up a maypole or tree and dance around it to promote fertility, creativity, and to generally celebrate the joy and beauty of life. Festivities are often held on May Eve as well, with bonfires being an important part of celebrating this grass quarter day. The next step is to hot glue your wreath onto the wooden disc. One of the main themes of Beltane is fertility, and the floral wreath often represents the feminine side of reproduction, while the maypole represents the masculine side. I'll link to my maypole craft at the end of this video and in the description below. I'm decorating the wreath with summer flowers, beginning with the larger flowers and then adding the smaller ones in and hot gluing them down. I'm creating my candle holder out of artificial flowers and will reuse it year after year on my altar. If you want a more eco-friendly decoration instead, this craft can also be done with real flowers and leafy branches woven into a small wreath. Whatever you use to make yours, a floral candle holder is a great way to bring both the floral, feminine, and fire elements of Beltane into your home and honor them this season. Please enjoy the rest of the craft project, and I'm wishing you a blessed Beltane and May Day season.